Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a crucial piece of any e-commerce project, the product registration page. If you want your sellers to have a smooth experience, your form needs to be more than just functional. It needs to be fast, responsive, and intuitive. In this video, we're using a powerhouse stack, HTML5, JavaScript, and Tailwind CSS. We'll build a sleek modern UI from scratch, including a custom drag-and-drop image uploader with instant previews. No more boring choose file buttons. We'll also cover client-side validation and how to send data to your database using the Fetch API, so the page never has to refresh. Let's dive in. First, let's set up our skeleton. Since we're using Tailwind CSS, we can skip the external style sheet and keep our workflow fast. I'm starting with a main wrapper using BG Gray 50 to give the background a soft, professional look that isn't a harsh, pure white. To keep our form readable, I'm using the class MaxWidth 4XL and MX Auto. This ensures that on large monitors, our form doesn't stretch across the entire screen, but stays perfectly centered and readable. We'll also add some padding with PX4, so the content doesn't touch the edges of the screen on mobile devices. Now, let's talk about the inputs. For the product title and description, we want them to take up the full width. Note how I'm using Focus Ring 2 and Focus Ring Blue 500. This gives the user a clear blue highlight when they click into a field. It's a small detail, but it makes the form feel interactive. For the category, price, level, and status fields, we want to be smart with our space. I'm using Tailwind's grid system here, grid:1, MD grid:2. On a small phone, these fields will stack vertically, so they're easy to tap. But on a desktop, they'll jump into a two-column layout to save vertical space. It's the easiest way to handle responsiveness without writing a single media query. This is the wow factor of our form. Instead of a standard file input, we're creating a custom div with a dashed border. We'll hide the actual input type file and trigger it via JavaScript when this box is clicked. The real magic happens in the JavaScript. We're using the Fetch Reader API. When a user drops an image or selects one, we read that file and immediately show a preview. This gives the user instant confirmation that they've picked the right photo, which massively improves the user experience. I've also added a Remove Image button, just in case they change their mind. A form is only good if it sends valid data. We're writing a show error function in JavaScript to catch empty fields before they ever reach the server. This saves server resources and gives the user instant feedback. Once the data is validated, we use the Fetch API. This is key for a modern single-page application feel. Instead of the page reloading and potentially losing the user's scroll position, we send the data in the background. If the server returns success, we redirect them or show a success message right there. And there you have it, a fully responsive, modern product registration page ready for any seller dashboard. You've got clean Tailwind styling, a custom image uploader, and seamless AJAX submission. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more web development tutorials. See you in the next video.